Ease of access to information. The World Wide Web has made the world a social village. This is because information from all around the globe is widely available on the internet. While most of the news you get to see on social media is purely factual, one may also see image results for particular news. Not only more news is available, but all such information is also straightforward to access. Saves time. Have you ever faced navigation problems in an unfamiliar town? Yes, we all have faced such issues when we move to a new place, be it a business trip or a vacation. Modern technology allows you to enjoy your outings by helping you navigate to anywhere. Ease of mobility. Ever imagined your life without a car or a bike? Surely not, because technology has placed these things under our feet. Airplanes, electric trains, and cars, which are being improvised every single day, have made all this possible. Better communication means. It is a fact that modern technology has replaced old technology, and we cannot imagine our lives without this replacement. Letters were the most common mean of communication less than a century ago. Instant messaging and sharing of photos and videos was never so easy before. Better learning techniques. You can improve your teaching skills and integrate scientific methods to bring motivation to your students. Many software and electronic gadgets are introduced to help students with their education. The simplest example of a calculator can amaze a person. Multiple calculations and various binary operations, the answer comes with just a click.
Education. Technology and internet has become a great tool for learning, yet technology involvement doesn't always guarantee quality of education. Plagiarism and cheating have increased while analysis and critical thinking have declined. Social skills. Social networking keeps us entrenched in impersonal contact. As a result, our social skills are not as highly developed compared to those who are exposed outside and interact with people physically. Our ability to pick up on social cues and body language dwindle, which leads to miscommunication. Privacy and security. Technology can expose you to a number of risks. With huge population using the internet, it gives rise to cybercrime. With a few clicks, you can now discover Facebook page with all the contact information, pictures, whereabouts, and many more. The information obtained can be used by cheaters for hacking and viruses. Mental health. One of the most dramatic impacts of technology is the decline of the quality and quantity of sleep. Among other mental problems caused by computers is a new type of stress called the chronic smartphone stress. It is caused by notifications. If a person doesn't get enough attention, this can make him or her feel stressed or even depressed. Physical effect. Technology used may increase the risk of physical issues. This includes eye strain caused by too much time facing your gadget screen, ear problem, poor posture, neck pain, sleep problems caused by using technology too close to bedtime, and lastly, it can reduce physical activity. Sedentary life mean having negative health effects and can contribute to obesity and cardiovascular disease.